students, welcome to Statistics class. In today's session, we are going to solve some examples on ASTR. So let us solve first example. Calculate age specific death rates for the age group 15 to 25 years and 25 to 40 years from the following data. So first column age group is given, second column population, and the third column number of deaths. So for this question, we need to find only the specific age group. We want the ASTR for the age group 15 to 25 and 25 to 40. So let us solve solution. So the first question is we have to find ASTR for the age group 15 to 25. So this means the formula of ASTR is number of deaths in the age group 15 to 25 divided by total population in the age group 15 to 25 into 1000. So this means we have to find out ASTR for the age group only 15 to 25. So in the age group 15 to 25, the total deaths is 600 and population is 30,000. So now you substitute the values in the formula. So total number of deaths is 600, population is 30,000 into 1000. So ASTR for the age group 15 to 25 is 20. So this means the age group 15 to 25, out of 1000 population, 20 deaths. So let us solve second question. Here the second question is we have to find out ASTR for the age group 25 to 40. So as we know the formula, number of deaths in the age group 25 to 40 divided by total population in the age group 25 to 40 into 1000. So now substitute the values. So number of deaths in the age group 25 to 40 is 400 divided by total number of population in the age group 25 to 40 is 28,000 into 1000. So this becomes ASTR for the age group 25 to 40 is 14.28. So let us solve second example on ASTR. Find the age specific death rates for the following data. The first column age group is given, the second column population is given, and the third column number of deaths is given. Okay, so for this question we have to find out ASTR. So solution, as we know the formula of ASTR is dt upon pt into 1000. So dt stands for deaths, pt means population, into 1000. So now find out the ASTR. So here ASTR we are going to find age wise. ASTR for the age group 0 to 9. So this means in the age group 0 to 9, total population is 20,000 and number of deaths is 1000. So this becomes 1000 divided by 20,000 into 1000 is equal to 50. So in the age group 0 to 9, the total deaths are 50. So let us solve ASTR for the age group 10 to 20. 500 divided by 15,000 into 1000 is equal to 33.33. Next ASTR for the age group 20 to 29. 200 divided by 10,000 into 1000 is equal to 20. Next ASTR for the age group 30 to 39 is 100 divided by 8,000 into 1000 is equal to 12.50. Next ASTR for the age group 40 to 49 is 120 divided by 8000 into 1000 is equal to 15. ASTR for the age group 50 to 59 is 150 divided by 7000 into 1000 is equal to 21.42. Next ASTR for the age group 60 and above is 1200 divided by 18,000 into 1000 is equal to 66.6. So this is the example. So let us solve next variety of example in ASTR. The question is compute CDR and ASTR for the following data.
So first column age group is given, second column population is given, third column deaths is given. See, here the question is, for this question we need to find CDR and ASTR. Both we have to find out. So first we have to find out CDR, then we'll calculate ASTR. Okay. Solution. As we know, the formula of CDR is D upon P into 1000. So this means to calculate CDR, we want total deaths and total population. So let us add. So total population is 1,20,000 and total deaths is 3,640. So now substitute in the formula. So total deaths is 3,640 divided by total population is 1,20,000 into 1000. So this becomes CDR is equal to 30.33. So second question is, for this question we have to find out ASTR. So what is the formula of ASTR? As we know, the formula of ASTR is dt upon pt into 1000. So now you find out the ASTR values. So ASTR for the age group under 10 is 600 divided by 20,000 into 1000 is equal to 30. Next, ASTR for the age group 10 to 19 is equal to 240 divided by 10,000 into 1000 is equal to 24. So like this we have to find out ASTR for all the age group. So these are the ASTRs. Okay. Thank you.